Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your payments with PayPal, beginner guide step by step clearly. To secure your payments with PayPal, start by creating a strong password for your account. Choose a password that is at least 12 characters long. Incorporate a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. This feature requires you to verify your identity through a code sent to your mobile device. Regularly monitor your transaction history to spot any unauthorized activities. Familiarize yourself with PayPal's purchase protection policy to understand your rights. Always use a secure internet connection when accessing your PayPal account. Avoid public Wi-Fi when conducting financial transactions. Consider linking only one bank account or card to your PayPal account. This minimizes the risk of exposing multiple payment sources. Be cautious of phishing scams that attempt to steal your credentials. Never click on suspicious links or provide your password in response to unsolicited emails. Use PayPal's official website or app to log in, rather than following links from emails. Set up email notifications for transactions to stay informed about activity on your account. When making purchases, always check that the website is legitimate and secure. Look for the padlock icon in the browser's address bar before entering your payment details. Keep your computer and software updated to protect against vulnerabilities. Install antivirus software to detect and prevent malware. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it to PayPal immediately. Consider using PayPal for online transactions instead of directly entering credit card information. This adds an additional layer of security. By following these steps, you can help ensure the safety of your payments with PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.